So how was it, to build the foundation? Because when you come from an established, marketing company, uh, uh, a brand book or a brand key
Yeah,
or stuff like that, you kind of access and you get it,
correct.
and suddenly here you have to build it, and a lot more real thinking has to go into it,
Yeah.
and you really also don't have the same kind of talent around you,
Yeah.
right? So what are the frustrations and the joys you went through?
I think it was very frustrating initially saying, my God, how can we be operating for all of these years without some of these things? But that phase passes very quickly, Swami, because you realize that I don't have this, but I need this really quickly. And you know what? As a woman who runs her home, it's like I've got guests coming at home. I don't have XYZ ingredients, but what is next step? So I've gone through the frustration really quickly because I'm expecting people home, and it is exactly that. So the frustration passes really quickly, and then you get into a very hyper build mode. And I think I thrive in hyper build modes where I then have my own checklist saying, here are the 15 things that we need to attack. And you're right on talent. A lot of places where I started, I didn't have teams to build aspects of the brand that needed building. I mean, if those teams were there, I'm assuming those aspects would have been built already. And therefore, I really believe that marketing as a function that way is quite blessed, because you can get a partner of any sorts on a 24-hour notice if you really want it. And after being in the industry for so long, having worked with brands, especially with the Unilever portfolio, I have a very, very strong partner ecosystem, and I've always worked with them as extended teams, and they really come to your rescue. So the idea is you should know what to fix, and then from there on, you're already sort of on the fixing spree. But identifying that is very important, which is why, to my point, on when you enter a setup where don't start saying, here is what I'm going to do from a building the brand point of view. You have to figure out whether you have the right tools and the right ecosystem, the right foundation. Fix that, and then plan. You already know, I mean, as a marketer, you already know what you need to do. It's the standard stuff that you do, but it'll not work till you have the house in order. And I think with teams, without teams, once that's identified, you can plug play solutions and take it live.